Elon Musk is really playing around with the crypto markets over here, guys, and just want to say welcome back to the channel and thanks for clicking this video. So we're looking at Dogecoin today. Doge is on a rampage. We can see it over the last day here. It's pumped up quite extravagantly, over 10%. It reached a local high of 0.121. So what is the trajectory for Dogecoin? Can Doge keep going? And what's the likelihood of Dogecoin even hitting $1? If this video is somewhat helpful, please do hit that like button. If you are looking to achieve your crypto goals this 2024, do subscribe to the channel. So recently we saw a tweet just this morning from Elon Musk. I don't know if, people in different time zones didn't get a chance to see this tweet yet. Maybe in the UK zone, people have been at work, so they also didn't see this. But coming in at 5 p.m, we just recently saw, Doge move at around sort of 4:30 p.m. when people in the UK and other countries in Europe, I guess, kind of finish work. So since that, you can see 38.9 million views. And Elon Musk posted this with all these love hearts, and you can see it says from Doge designer. And straight after, I mean, what an accolade for Doge designer. He must be freaking over the moon right now. What we saw after this was Dogecoin then pumped. So we are in an absolute parabolic market right now, and Bitcoin is chilling at an extravagant price, a price that we've not seen for a long time. Right now, Dogecoin, $15.41 billion market capitalization. And when we look historically, Dogecoin got to $75 billion in terms of its overall valuation. So that's pretty crazy to think about, the fact that Doge was once $75 billion, which is like 5x higher than what the current price is. Now, if Dogecoin did return 5x in value again to $75 billion, it would be priced in at 50 cents with the current supply. Before it was $75 with just over 50 cents. So there's been some more tokens, injected into the circulating supply, which has diluted each token value a little bit, but not a lot. So in order to see a $1 Dogecoin, we need to see effectively $150 billion market capital here, which will be, a 2x on the previous all-time high. And I think, it is possible, but I'm not going to say it's definitely going to happen for sure. I just want to say tokenomically, fundamentally, and, I guess from a technical point of view, it is possible for Dogecoin to hit $1. So let's just kind of have a look at what's going on here with Dogecoin. We can see it's in a very, very strong ascending channel right here. A really strong looking one, but it did just get rejected at $0.1238. So very quick rejection here. It looks like, some whales were obviously very quick to sell in quick succession. This is a huge red hourly candle, so it all happened very, very quickly. If you went short at the top, you would have been very, very lucky, but clearly people are selling some of their bags right here, because we're seeing a huge amount of selling pressure. We've just folded back under the 0.11 support zone, flipping that back into a resistance. But if anything happens similar to what just did recently, where we correct down to that 0.618 Fibonacci, as you can see, that golden pocket, if we do hopefully get that happen again, then we'll be correcting to an area which is ideally a point of interest once again. If Doge does come down to, say, 0.092, it could still pump again to the upside and potentially even target $0.15. So I know a lot of you guys are very bullish on Dogecoin, but that is a huge amount of resistance over there as well, guys. As you can see right here, it happened many times, many touches over there before in 2022. And even around November 2022 as well, we touched that 0.158 level, have not since been back. Now on the daily time frame, big RSI, very, very big RSI. If we just kind of look at the previous RSIs when they do go to the 77 region and beyond, don't know why I can't click over here. Yeah. So we can see every time previously that Dogecoin does hit the 70 plus RSI. Well, the first time around there was still a correction. I don't want to make this a bearish video at all, but I just don't want you guys to chase the green candles and also just get completely wrecked in the process, because that can also happen. First correction 13%, second correction was the huge correction of 31%, a typical altcoin correction. And then we could speculate, what if we do get a 20% correction here before more movement to the upside? It could be a possibility, right? But overall, I think, we've got plenty of time still. Even if Bitcoin does crawl back, we've still got a lot of time here for Dogecoin. But just looking at the general market here for Dogecoin, we're getting tons of volume on Binance, getting tons of volume on OKX, and overall the volume is up, the market cap is up, and the overall meme sort of sector is also up and just looking really juicy at the moment. So I imagine a lot of people, retailers, are getting back into cryptocurrency. Now, extreme greed is what the market is feeling. There's no lie about that. I mean, Bitcoin is just looking ridiculous right now. Let's just do a quick price check on Bitcoin. It was 63k. Wow, look at that, the volatility, we're seeing it. So 63k down to 60k in just moments. We're here, guys. We have volatility now. We haven't had this sort of volatility for a while, as in very, very quick blips to the upside and the downside. So 64k down to 60k very quickly, but still a massive price tag, and we are up hugely on the month over here, guys. So that's absolutely crazy to see. Also, just want to say, if you are new here, please get yourself down below into my Discord channel. Over 22,000 members almost. Come say hi, don't be shy, and just simply hang out. Now, Bitcoin dominance, and we'll talk about this in a moment, but first of all, guys, I just want to quickly talk about meme combat, because you're already watching Dogecoin and you might like this other meme combat or meme coin idea. The narrative is solid, it's got some good utility, some fun fundamental factors behind it, and guess what? It's one of the only meme coins right now that is soon to launch and is actually KYC'd and doxed by Matt Whiteman, who is the project lead over here, who has actually got a LinkedIn profile. He's a real person. I've spoke to the guy before. Now, meme combat is effectively a play to earn ecosystem where you can get involved in innovative play to earn wagering, where your favorite meme heroes and champions battle it out on the platform. As you can see right here, you've got some meme guys on the right and left side. There's only 5 days and 23 hours until this lists and launches now. So this is effectively the last sort of chance to buy before the listing. One meme combat token is $0.279. You can buy this on the ERC20 or BEP20 network. It depends on which one you prefer, but has got that cross-chain element to it. There's also staking as well, guys. So if you like staking, 94% APY is up for grabs. 42 million meme combat tokens are staked at the moment. So this could potentially do a 5 to 10x, guys, launching at a low market cap of just $10 million-ish dollars. A 10x would take it to that 100 million, and if it does go crazy and parabolic, then we could see meme combat even hit the 1 billion potentially. Remember, not financial advice, always do your own research. But yeah, meme combat is looking pretty good, and I'm feeling bullish for the upcoming launch and listing of this. So 19.5k followers on Twitter. They've recently sold out their last phase, but they're doing a bit of an overspill round to give some other people a chance to actually get in to the project should they wish. So the link is down below if you want to do some research and due diligence on the project. Now, quickly moving into Bitcoin dominance. Just want to talk about this because I personally predict that we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance maybe come down a little bit, maybe back down towards like the 50 sort of percent region. And I think we will see Ethereum maybe take over soon. I would like to see Ethereum kind of pumped around a 22% dominance, so a couple $100 more of valuation, maybe even take it up to about $4,000. Ideally, a 25% valuation for Ethereum versus the global market cap would be very, very bullish. And I do anticipate a movement to the upside here for Ethereum, especially with Ether's Bitcoin beating rally, not just because of potential ETF approval. So of course we've got ETH ETFs next. That could be one of the next big things here in the cryptocurrency space. ETH ETFs, and just look at the volatility up to 61.2 now. Crazy. But I do think Ethereum is going to hold very, very sort of heavily. We have seen a bit of a sell-off here from 3.474. Ridiculous, but I think ETH could potentially climb very, very fast and very, very soon. So that's something to just kind of bear in mind, the ETH ETF approval and everything that's happening with Ethereum as well in the background, because everyone's kind of talking about Bitcoin right now. And additionally, guys, just want to also say one last thing. Thank you to all the new crypto legends here. If you're looking for over 500 trading signals per month and you haven't yet signed up to anything like trading signals or getting in onto the early insights, the VIP group, Crypto Legend in the Patreon down below, where you can get early access to pre-sales, white listings, private sales, straight to dexes, fair launches, and stealth launches, and yeah, more cool stuff like that. So thanks for being here. We've got, I think, a couple hundred members now, 493 members. Would love to see 500 here, helping as many people as we possibly can. See you soon, guys. Take care, stay crypto safe, and let's see how the market rolls over in the next 24 hours. See you soon.